In this video, we'll show you how to recover archived stories on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Sometimes, you may accidentally archive a story or perhaps it expires on its own. Whatever the case, it's easy to retrieve it. First, I'll go ahead and archive my current story. To do that, tap on the More option in the bottom right corner of the screen and select Archive. Now, to access and view the archived story, head to the top right of your profile page and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. From there, go into Settings and then navigate to Activity. Scroll down until you reach the How You Use Instagram section and tap on Archive. At the top of the archive page, select the Stories Archive option, where you'll be able to see your previous stories. As you can see, the one I just archived is right here. If you want your stories to be automatically saved in the archive when they expire, simply tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and enable the Save Story to Archive option. This way, any expired stories will be stored here, and you can view them later. You can even share the archived story again or add it to your highlights. Just tap on the story, then choose Share or Highlight, and you can repost it to your story if you'd like.